Hello friends, in this video I will give you a demo of how to delete an IP address. Actually what just happened, I was trying to add a static IP and I already had this IP 2.60 for this interface and I wanted to add 2.101 which I did and it works fine. But I didn't need this one. Okay, so I want to keep only one of them. So how to delete it? So I thought I should share this with you. addr IP address or addr and delete. Now what we need to delete? This one. Okay. So from what device it is? This one interface. Okay. Let's hit enter and see if it works. Oh, it's taking time. Or the network is already gone. Let me see. Already gone. Why? Because this is the IP I used to connect to this machine. So now what I do, right click, new session, and I will use the other IP which is 101. And you see here, incorrect password. Okay, I'm logged in. Let me change the colors so that there is no confusion. Okay, now this one. Let's see. So you see the IP dot 60 is gone. Now only dot 101 is there. It was that much simple. You see IP addr show enp 0s8. See, so this is the command we executed. IP address delete operation, then the IP, then the device interface name. That's it. Okay, we lost the connection because that was expected. I was using that IP only, which I deleted to connect through PuTTY. Okay, and you might have noticed I logged in as root, but in production environment or at enterprise level, you might use a normal user account, then use sudo or switch user to root using sudo privileges and then perform your troubleshooting or whatever admin activities you want to do. So that's all about this, guys. Okay, but since we just deleted the IP, so we don't have to restart network manager. But if we added, then we should be doing that. Okay, so thank you. Share this video with your friends and let me know what you would like to learn next.